Hi there, Jim Kinberg. I'm cooking for Ellsworth Cooperative Creamery today. We're going to be demonstrating a recipe we're calling Midwestern Poutine. Great dish from our Canadian neighbors. We're going to give it a little Midwestern spin utilizing the Ellsworth cheese curds. So you don't just have to deep fry these cheese curds. There's so many other creative applications. We're going to be sauteing some mushrooms. And these are going to be finished off in the oven, so I don't really need to cook them through in the saute pan. I just want to get them started. All right, so you'll notice they're just beginning to soften. I'm going to take them off the heat, set them aside, and we're going to go cook some French fries. So we're doing this the classic kind of frite style, where I've blanched these skinny fries off ahead of time, and we're going to do that second fry at about 360 degrees. Get them nice and crispy. These are going to fry for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. You'll notice they'll get a nice golden brown, and we don't want to take them out until they get nice and crispy. You want to put just a little bit of olive oil down, keep the cheese curds from sticking. And on top of the cheese curds, we're going to scatter some of those mushrooms around. Ahead of time, I braised up some beef short rib. And I kind of shredded that up. So we are going to go into a 500-degree oven with that. It's going to take about 7 to 8 minutes, get all nice and bubbly and golden brown. And then we're going to put that on top of our French fries when they come out of the fryer. So our fries are nice and crispy, golden brown. We'll let the oil kind of drip off of them. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm going to put our fries just right in the center of the platter. We are topping the French fries with those nice cheese curds and all the goodies, the mushrooms, the braised short rib, those wonderful Ellsworth cheese curds. And we got to put a little something healthy on it, so we're going to put some chopped parsley on there. All right, just put that gravy, that demi-glace right over the top. And there you have it. Another wonderful dish, compliments of Ellsworth Cooperative Creamery.